How to use two WhatsApp accounts on one phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and search for WhatsApp application. Just make sure that you have the latest version of WhatsApp application on your device. As you can see on the screen, there is an option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of WhatsApp application. So all you have to do is just tap on open and it will land you to the WhatsApp application. So tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on settings. Now just scroll down and tap on the account option over here. As you tap on account, you can see the option of add account. So tap on add account and then tap on add account again at the bottom of the screen. Next, it will land you to a new page over here where you will be able to add another account and use WhatsApp account on one phone. So just tap on agree and continue and then mention the phone number over here that you want to associate or the another WhatsApp account. So you have to use two separate numbers. The same number cannot be used on the same phone for two WhatsApp accounts. So just mention the phone number and you'll be able to use two WhatsApp accounts on the one phone. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.